So when he died and he was sleeping. Mahapuri Nibbana.
涅盘相，佛涅盘入灭的时候，就是展现涅盘相，那就是右胁而卧，然后呢双脚并拢，然后这个面向西方，那么这个吉祥而卧入灭这样子，入灭的地方在俱舍那罗，就是那个。
Some special qualities. So people believe that he is always alive. People believe that he does not die.
Okay.
He always
with us, among us. So, what quality he has?
special qualities.
Like supernatural power?
Supernatural power like.
Oh.
这个比就是那个。
We feel so happy to visit the temple, and we are from Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, and America. So we are a team of medical team, doctors, the Chinese traditional medication, and the dentists. We take this opportunity before the medical camp start, and we squeeze some time to visit the temple here. We feel so grateful, especially to pay respect to the monk, the senior monk. And we wish that with the merits we transfer to the whole universe, we wish for the world peace and also the happiness of all mankind. Thank you so much.